Sometimes as you're placing the ears, it might look even to you as you're looking at it straight on. Then if you go to take a picture of them, then it doesn't look quite right. Here's how to fix that. We're going to use a mirror. So just set your mirror up in front of your work area, and after you check out your bear looking at it face on, then turn him around and look at him in the mirror and see if it still looks even to you. If it does, then you're good. If it looks a little off, then you can keep adjusting things until it looks right to you in the mirror. But then also after you adjust by looking in the mirror, make sure it still looks even to you and right to you looking at it straight on. You can use this trick to get the ears straight, to place the eyes evenly, and even for trimming the muzzle. Would you like access to all of my teddy bear making classes and free teddy bear patterns too? You can get a 7-day free trial using the link below.